If you're thinking about buying a house in 2026, you might want to wait, because what's coming in 2027 is about to change luxury living forever. This isn't camping anymore. This is a moving mansion. Look at this machine. Triple axle, full coach proportions, aggressive LED signature, underbody lighting glowing against marble floors. This doesn't even look like an RV. It looks like something that replaced the idea of a house. And the craziest part? We haven't even stepped inside yet. Now watch this. Full panoramic digital cockpit, curved display, AI-assisted driving, predictive navigation systems. By 2027, these motorhomes won't just drive. They'll think. They'll analyze traffic, adjust suspension automatically, optimize energy use in real time. This is no longer transportation. This is intelligent mobility. Now step into the lounge. Look at the space. Wide open layout, presidential seating, smart glass windows that turn opaque instantly, ambient lighting adjusting to your mood. This feels like a penthouse, not something sitting on wheels. Imagine hosting a meeting here, or relaxing here after a long drive, or watching the sunset through panoramic glass. You're not traveling, you're relocating luxury. Now the kitchen, full marble countertops, integrated smart storage, high-end built-in appliances. You could cook dinner here, while parked beside the ocean, or in the mountains, or in the desert. Luxury is no longer tied to one address. It moves with you. Now look at this bathroom. Rainfall shower, LED smart mirror, premium marble walls. This isn't an RV bathroom. This is five-star hotel design. You're not sacrificing comfort. You're upgrading freedom. And then the bedroom. Soft ambient lighting, king-size layout, private retreat atmosphere. Imagine falling asleep here, and tomorrow morning, waking up in a completely different city. No moving trucks, no packing stress, no fixed location, just freedom. That's the shift happening right now. By 2027, these luxury motorhomes will directly compete with high-end homes. And for some people, they'll win. Because the new definition of wealth isn't just space, it's mobility, it's flexibility, it's living without limits. So here's the real question. If your mansion could move, would you still choose a traditional house? Or would you choose this? Because the future of luxury is no longer fixed. It's rolling. And if this is what 2027 looks like, 2028 is going to be insane. Subscribe now, because we're documenting the future before it becomes normal.